Okay, welcome participants. Now there's another session. Yesterday we have discussed about the interpretation related with the CFA, confirmatory effect analysis. Now we have to continue the discussion. Especially today, I want to discuss about the validity dimension related with the confirmatory effect analysis. Already we have understand about reliability. Then as far as validity is concerned, there's so many different type of validity measure. Certainly we will discuss about all validity type in week 4. Now we have to discuss about only construct validity, and the construct validity types like convergent validity and discriminant validity. Those two types of validity are related with the CFA interpretation. There are so many validity measures. Certainly, week 4 syllabus includes validity measures. Then we will discuss about validity measures elaborately in the next week. Okay. As far as our interpretation continues, CFA interpretation continues. Yesterday, we have discussed about the modification indices. Yesterday we have discussed about the model fit indices, not the modification fit indices. The word model fit indices. Yesterday we have discussed about model fit indices and normality measures like skewness and kurtosis. Now the interpretation about CFA, interpretation about confirmatory effect analysis continues. Now we have to discuss about validity. As part of interpretation, we have to write a heading in our article or thesis, validity. Validity means, validity refers to the accuracy of a measurement. That is known as validity. Accuracy of a measurement. There are two types of validity. First one, internal validity. Second one, external validity. There are so many types of internal validity. The most important type of internal validity is construct validity. What is construct validity? Does the instrument actually measure the theoretical construct? We have developed a scale. We have developed an instrument. Does the scale or instrument actually measure the theoretical construct? For example, we have developed a scale. Scale means questions. We have developed a scale or instrument for measuring job satisfaction. Do that instrument can measure job satisfaction accurately? That is known as construct validity. Okay. The two important type of construct validity. One is convergent validity. What is second is discriminant validity. What is meant by convergent validity? It shows that measures of the same construct are highly correlated. I mean, again, it shows that measures of the same construct are highly correlated. For example, two different anxiety scales should show a high correlation. That is known as convergent validity. Shows that measures of the same construct are highly correlated. That is known as convergent validity. We have to show that our CFA, and we have shown that we have completed the CFA picture, CFA analysis. We have to show that the measurement scale related with the CFA analysis satisfies convergent validity dimension. As part of the CFA interpretation, we have to calculate two measures about the convergent validity, and we have to interpret that our CFA analysis satisfies convergent validity. Okay. Actually, there are two measures related with the convergent validity. First is average variance extract. First one is average variance extract, AVE. Second one is construct reliability or composite reliability. We have to show that our CFA analysis satisfies convergent validity. The two measures related with the convergent validity, one is average variance extract, second is construct reliability or composite reliability values. If the average variance extract is equal to or greater than 0.5, then okay, it is acceptable. Likewise, if the constant reliability or composite reliability value is equal to greater than 0.7, it is acceptable. That is the point. Then next type of constant validity, that is discriminant validity. Discriminant validity, it shows that measures of different construct are not highly correlated. I mean, read again. Shows that measures of different constructs are not highly correlated. For example, anxiety scales should not correlate strongly with the happiness scale. For example, anxiety scales should not correlate strongly with the happiness scale. That is known as discriminant validity. Okay. First of all, we may compute values related with the convergent validity. I may show my SPSS, not SPSS, I may show my AMOS platform to you. Please wait, share, AMOS. Okay. This is the AMOS output platform. To compute the values related with the convergent validity and discriminant validity, you have to take, you can see the menus. Please take estimates. Then you can see estimates, scalar, standard regression weight. To compute average variance extract and composite reliability, you have to first write the standard regression weights in your notebook. Otherwise, you cannot copy the values into a table. In MS Word, you have to create a table and you have to enter the values. Then there's a formula to calculate average variance extract. To apply the values there in MS Word, first you have to copy those values in your notebook. Those are the standard regression weights, EC1. That means first variable related with the first factor, 0.763. EC2, please note it in your notebook, 0.299. EC3, 0.691. EC4, 0.870. EC5, 0.626. US1, 0.895. US2, 0.846. US3, 0.690. US4, 0.765. US5, 0.677. SC1, 0.729. SC2, 0.751. S3, SC3, 0.881. SC4, 0.797. SC5, 0.838. GW1, 0.832. GW2, 0.884. GW3, 0.910. GW4, 0.763. GW5, 0.782. IE1, 0.943. IE2, 0.980. IE3, 0.979. IE4, 0.986. IE5, 0.979. Likewise, please note the correlation values also. It is needed to compute the discriminant validity measure. Correlation between two constants, please note the constant name also. That means first policy of correlation between policy of Europe and policy of USA. Such like you have to write it. You have to copy the entire table. Please see the entire table. Please copy the entire table. Otherwise, you cannot compute the discriminant validity measure. Then first correlation 0.759, second 0.618, then 0.631, then 0.542, then 0.7, 0.735, then 0.713, then 0.686, then 0.738, then 0.569, then 0.646. Okay. Those values are needed for the computation of convergent validity and discriminant validity. Then stop share. I may share my MS Word screen to you. Share MS Word screen. Okay, this is the MS Word screen. Please, first of all, please draw a table like this. To compute average variance extract and constant reliability or compost reliability, those are the two measures related with the conversion variability. Please draw a table like this and provide the values. We have the values. Please provide the values there. First, write it. EC1. EC1 value 0.763. First write the variable, then put the value EC2, then EC3, then EC4, then EC5, then EC6, then EC7, then EC8, then EC9, then EC10. Sorry, after EC5 variable US1, US1. Those are the variable name. US2, then US3, then US4, then US5, then SC1, next construct, SC1, then SC2, then SC3, then SC4, then SC5, then GW1, then GW2, then GW3, then GW4, then GW5. Next, Indian economic construct variables. IE1, IE2, IE3, IE4, and IE5. Okay. Then put the values there. Standard regression weight values 0.763, 0.299, then 0.691, then 0.870, 0.626, then US1 0.895, 0.846, 0.690, 0.765, 0.677, then 0.729, 0.751, 0.881, 0.797, 0.838, then 0.832, 0.884, 0.910, 0.763, then 0.782. Those are the standard regression weights. Okay, then IE1 0.7, 0.9, 0.943, 0.980, 0.979, 0.986, then 0.979. Then there's an equation to find out average variance extract. Please wait, I may show the equation to you. Wait. I may show the equation to you. Please wait. Average variance equation. Average variance equation. I must show the average variance equation to you. Then we may compute first average variance equation. Please wait. Wait. Stop share. I will show the equation to you. Okay, this is the average. This is my ChatGPT screen. This is the average variance equation. AVE is equal to sigma lambda I square all divided by n. Here, lambda means standard regression weight. That means in first factor, there are 5 variables. You have to square the standard regression weight of the first variable plus square the standard regression weight of the second variable plus square of the third variable standard regression weight plus square of the fourth variable standard regression weight plus square of the fifth variable standard regression weight all divided by 5. Okay, that is a calculation. That is a calculation of the average variance extract. Then word is MS Word is clean. Then average variance extract. Then 0.763 that means 0.763 square plus 0.299 square plus 0.691 square plus 0.870 square plus 0.626 square all divided by 5. That is the calculation of the average variance extract. I may use the calculator. Wait. Wait. Okay. In the first case, please write, I have got 4.5 as the average variance extract value. 0.45, that means 0.763 square plus 0.299 square plus 0.691 square plus 0.870 square plus 0.626 square divided by 5. Likewise, the next average variance extract. Okay, the next factor, 5 variables. Then please use the calculator. Please use the calculator and square and sum and divided by 5. Here, I may use a calculator. Okay, in second case, 0.60, that is value. In second case, if it is equal to 0.5 or any value greater than 0.5, it is acceptable. In first case also, a value is near 0.5, it is acceptable. Second case, okay, it is very good. Please write the values there. In third case, 5 constructs are available to us. Third case, please use the calculator. Okay, in third case, another value that is good, acceptable. 0.64 is the next value that is very, very good, acceptable value. The next case is take 5 values and square and submit, then divided by 5. In the next case, it is wait. It is 0.69, very, very good value. 0.69. In last case, also the values acceptable. In last case, the value, please wait. Very, very good. 0.94, very, very good. That means all our average variance extract values are good values, acceptable values. Okay. Then now we have to compute the construct reliability and the name compost reliability. We may continue our discussion on tomorrow. Thank you. Stop share.